Hi, welcome to my tutorials once again. My name is Ingo Samolaweka and I'm popularly called the programmer one. Okay, that's a good one. Thanks. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a copy. To copy a list of files in the Windows folder into an Excel list or into a text file. Okay. So how do I do this? I'll need to locate the folder for which has the files that I need to populate into a list. Okay, so to locate the folder, I am going to go to Start, and then because the files that I want, they are pictures, so I go to the picture, and yes, go to the slide shows folder. Okay, cool. So these are the pictures. As you can see, these are the pictures that are in my slide shows folder. I'm not interested in the pictures, but I'm interested in the names. Okay, so since I'm interested in the names and I need to populate these names into a TXT file or into an Excel spreadsheet. So how do I do that? I need to create a program, okay, that is going to run and pull all these names at one time. Okay, so how do I do that? I will go to Start. I'm going to use the Edit Pad Lite. So I open this program, okay, and then go back to where the pictures are, and then I need to copy this path. Okay, so I copy this directory into my Edit Pad program. Okay, and then I need to edit this one. I need to add the cd command in the command prompt, which means change directory, and then add now the script that is going to pull all the file names. And the script goes like this: dir, okay, / b space greater than sign, okay, and then I need to name this file where all the names of the pictures are going to sit. So let's just name it my picture file, okay, .txt, and then I need to save this program. To save this program, I need to name it, to give it a name. Let's just give it the same name, my picture files. Okay, and let's save it. Let's say we save it on the desktop right there. Okay, and then say save. Close the program. Okay, and yeah, it's here. So once I click on it once, remember it has the .txt extension. So I need to run this one as a batch file. So how do I run this file as a batch file? I right click it and then rename it. Okay, and then yes, I'm going to rename it .bat, which is a batch file, and press enter. This would a command, I mean, it's going to ask me whether I should go ahead and change the file extension. Let's just say yes, and there we go. See, the program has even changed to the batch file. Okay, bear in mind that I don't have that program here already, but once I run this program that I've just created, it's going to populate. So let's just double click it. Okay, it has run, and let's go back and see. There it is, my picture file.txt. Once I open it, here we go. Okay, these are the picture names. Have you seen? These are the picture names which are in this folder. We can even line them by alphabetical order and see if they are corresponding. Okay, see, the first one starts with B, and here the first one starts with B. Okay, so these are the picture files that I have. Cool. So remember, this is a TXT file. So now how do I open them in the spreadsheet? I go to Start, open the Microsoft Excel. Okay, So once it opens, because remember I need to open that file, so let's browse. Okay, and we need to take the path where this file is, so we copy this path, or rather the directory, and paste it there. Okay, and let us change to the text file, because we are interested into the text file, so we need to do like this. But here it is, this is the text file, then we say open. Okay, and then to ask us a few options here, whether you need to choose the type of choose the file type that best describes your data. Is it delimited or is it fixed width? Let's just go with the default delimited. Okay, so we just go like next. Is it tabbed? Yes, just go like next and then finish. There we are, we have all the file names, the picture names into the spreadsheet. So all these names, all the picture names that are here, I've exported them into the spreadsheet. Okay, so for this and many more other videos, just go to my YouTube channel, type Ngosamola Weka, and watch more videos about IT. If you have any questions, you can contact me. Contact me using those details appearing on the screen. Okay, or yeah, this way those details appearing on the screen. I'm readily available and I'll get back to you. Okay, thank you very much for your time and God bless you.